Hey, y'all want to come to Islands of Adventure? Let's go. Is that corny? That felt corny. Let's go. Those look like comfort shoes. Too short to see what I'm shooting. I hope it looks good. Does this look good? Oh, it does. Okay, great. This is going in the edit, by the way. Sorry, y'all. So my sister said that we looked old because we had our neck fans, but we have a young person here. We have a young person here who also has a neck fan. It's hot. Thank you. Oh, right. Thank you.
I just want two.
I just needed to verify.
I do like seven. Okay, don't.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So I just needed to verify and confirm that a young person is also wearing said neck fans, so we don't feel old.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's old.
TikTok says we still young. Mighty name of Jesus. No. What is this? What is this? Well, we all look like E.T. Waiting to phone home. It's raining. Oh dear.
This could be the most dangerous night of my life.